The ABM automatic dispensing and quality balancing machine provides imbalance detection for the cooling fans of laptops and desktops. After detection, it automatically supplements the balance amount and corrects the position accurately. The data shows that the balance-corrected fan blades will have a significant improvement in heat dissipation performance, which will make laptops and desktops run more smoothly. The entire process adopts a dispensing process to complete the correction of the fan blades, with precise software control for repair, meeting the testing needs of large-scale fan production. We are proud of our products and focus on the field of cooling fans. We are an experienced manufacturer of balancing mechanisms, serving over 3,000 customers worldwide.